The black dome of light, the stars seem fixed in their patterns. They rotate through the sky over the seasons so unchangingly that most cultures have used the presence of one another or constellation to tell time. The planets, however, are different, puzzling. They glide slowly, seemingly erratically, across the sky. Attempts to explain why the planets move as they do has led to modern science's understanding of gravity and motion. As Nicholas said, we revolve around the sun like any other planet.
In 1515, a Polish priest named Nicolaus Copernicus proposed that the Earth was a planet like the Venus or Saturn, and that all planets circle the sun. As he was afraid of such criticisms, he did not publish his theory until 1543, shortly before his death. His theory obtained a few followers of his, and for a time, some of those who did give credence to the idea faced charges.
This is the first time that an astrologist released the theory that the sun is the center of the solar system and all planets are revolving around it, contrary to the belief that the Earth is the center of the universe and all planets orbit around it. This discovery started the modern view and the development of time system from east to west, where the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. That countries in the east side has earlier times than those on the west. Also, modern navigation was set with the sun as the basis of all direction and the modern ways of predicting the changing season and climates of the Earth, including the theory of climate change.
Imperial planets move east to west and then west to east as they move around the sun. The long-term movement of superior planet is west to east. This is direct motion, but around opposition their movement appears to loop or zigzag, and they temporarily move from east to west. This is retrograde motion. The stationary pairs are where the planet apparently changes direction. The retrograde motion of the superior planet in the sky, the markers indicate where the planet is at opposition and its two station points. Retrograde motion can be explained by considering the relative orbital speeds and inclinations of the superior planets and the Earth in the heliocentric model of the solar system. Planets further than the Earth from the Sun move more slowly in their orbits, so the Earth will catch up with them as the two planets move towards the opposition. To explain sanely, irregular movements of the planets in the terms of the circular motion at the uniform space. The Copernican system gave a truer picture than the Ptolemaic system, which was geometric or centered on Earth. It correctly described the Sun as having central position relative to Earth and other planets. Copernicus retained from the imaginary clockwork asphyxical and different Copernicus system, an astronomy model of the solar system center.
Copernicus is mainly known for formally introducing that the Sun is the center of our solar system. In the first early millennium, the Earth-centered model that was defined by Ptolemy was set firmly in place, and in fact, it is accepted by the society.
Planetary motion isn't simple. Planets appear to speed up or slow down as they cross the sky. Planets even temporarily reverse direction, exhibiting retrograde motion. Typically, the planets shift slightly eastward from night to night, drifting slowly against the backdrop of the stars. From time to time, however, they change direction. For a few months, they'll head east before turning back around and resuming their easterly course. Their westward motion is called retrograde motion by the astronomers. Though it baffled ancient stargazers, we know now that retrograde motion is an illusion caused by motion of Earth and these planets around the Sun.